Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video friends. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how can we enable power saving mode in our Realme phone. Friends, you want to enable your power saving mode, so guys how can enable it in this video I will show you friends. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys, if you're in my channel, so friends, first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, like my video friends. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to enable power saving mode, then guys scroll it. And friends, you can see guys your phone battery setting, can tap here, then guys first setting, as you can see, power saving mode, so guys tap here, then guys you can your enable your power saving mode from here guys. So guys power saving mode will enable from here. After enable guys, you can see your battery color will, by battery indicator color will yellow, because guys power saving mode has enabled. So as you don't have charger in your phone, as you have your 15 and 20% charge, so as you can save your battery to enable your power saving mode, and guys when you will reach home guys you can charge your phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to enable power saving mode in our Realme phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video.